Today, we're diving into the world of the best tumblers with straws on the market. Whether you're looking for a reliable travel companion or the perfect gift, we've got you covered. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number one on my list is the simple modern 40-ounce tumbler priced at $29. This tumbler is designed with a handle and a straw lid, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go use. The almond birch color gives it a sophisticated look, while the stainless steel material ensures durability. One of its standout features is the double wall insulation, which keeps your beverages hot or cold for hours. Users have praised its leak-resistant design, noting that it prevents spills effectively. The tapered shape allows it to fit comfortably in car cup holds, making it ideal for travel. Reviewers also appreciate the handle, which can be adjusted for both left and right-handed users. This tumbler comes with a limited lifetime warranty, adding extra peace of mind. Now, while some users mentioned confusion about its dishwasher safety, many found it easy to clean by hand. Overall, its combination of style, functionality, and affordability makes it a top choice. The addition of 2 straws and a secure lid enhances its convenience. If you need a versatile and reliable tumbler, this one is a fantastic option. Second, we have the Owala stainless steel travel tumbler, comes in at $37. This 40-ounce tumbler is perfect for those who want a stylish and practical drink container. The triple-layer insulation ensures your drinks stay cold for extended periods. It features a 2-in-1 splash-resistant lid with a removable straw, giving you the flexibility to sip or swig. Users have highlighted the tumbler's wide opening, which makes it easy to clean and add ice. The construction is free from harmful chemicals, ensuring your beverages remain safe. Many reviewers appreciate its robust build and minimal leakage, even when dropped. The tumbler's ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to carry, and it fits well in most cup holders. However, some users noted that it might not keep ice as long as advertised, which could be a drawback for some. Despite this, the tumbler's overall performance and stylish design have received positive feedback. Its ease of assembly and cleaning adds to its appeal. For a durable and aesthetically pleasing tumbler, the Owala is a great investment. Third, we have the Stanley IceFlow tumbler priced at $35. This 30-ounce tumbler is known for its rugged design and reliable performance. It features vacuum insulation that keeps your drinks cold for up to 12 hours and ice for up to 2 days. The unique IceFlow flip straw is leak resistant when closed, making it perfect for active use. Users love its ergonomic rotating handle, which allows for easy transport. The tumbler fits comfortably in car cup holders and on exercise machines, enhancing its versatility. The stainless steel construction is not only durable, but also eco-friendly, incorporating recycled materials. Many reviewers have praised its excellent insulation and sturdy build. Some users, however, found it to be heavier than expected, which might be a consideration for some. Despite its weight, the tumbler's practical features and environmental benefits make it a favorite. Its easy-to-clean design, whether by hand or dishwasher, adds to its convenience. For those seeking a durable and eco-conscious tumbler, the Stanley IceFlow is an excellent choice. Next on the list is the Hydro Flask all-around travel tumbler priced at $29. This 40-ounce tumbler features Temp Shield double wall vacuum insulation, keeping your drinks cold for long hours. The flexible straw and strong ergonomic handle make it easy to carry and use. Its leak-resistant design ensures you can toss it in your bag without worrying about spills. Reviewers have highlighted its effective temperature retention and sturdy construction. Although some users noted that the color options might not be as vibrant as shown online, they were generally pleased with its performance. The stainless steel build guarantees durability, making it a long-lasting investment. Its compatibility with most cup holders makes it ideal for travel and daily use. Users have also appreciated the lack of flavor transfer, ensuring your drinks taste pure. The tumbler's ease of cleaning, whether by hand or dishwasher, adds to its appeal. Overall, the Hydro Flask offers a combination of style, functionality, and convenience. For an affordable yet high-performing tumbler, this is a strong contender. Finally, the simple modern 24-ounce tumbler comes in at $23. This tumbler is ideal for those who prefer a more compact size without compromising on features. It boasts double wall insulation to keep your beverages hot or cold for hours. The leak-proof design with both a straw lid and a flip lid ensures versatility. Made from premium stainless steel, it guarantees durability and a sleek appearance. The cup holder friendly shape makes it perfect for travel, fitting easily in most car holders. Users have praised its sleek design and effective temperature retention. However, some have mentioned issues with the lid getting scratched easily. Despite this, the tumbler remains a favorite for its overall performance. The addition of a second lid enhances its functionality, allowing you to switch between hot and cold drinks effortlessly. For an affordable and stylish tumbler that offers great value, the simple modern 24-ounce is an excellent choice. So, in summary, these 5 tumblers offer a range of features and prices to suit different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize installation, durability, or design, there's a tumbler on this list that's perfect for you. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.